Aloha, I'm Becky Spear, the dining editor of Maui no Ko'oi magazine, and I'm here to present a reading of Holiday Potluck, which is in our November-December issue 2021. Traditionally, Maui no Ko'oi hosts an annual holiday test kitchen, inviting one of Maui's finest chefs to put us through our paces and teach us step by step how to make a special holiday meal. But given this unprecedented year, and with our deadline looming, we had to take a different approach and decided to create a holiday potluck with the Maui no Ko'oi staff. On the day of the event, I arrive at the Woodburns Kula home and can immediately tell that Diane is in her happy place. She has been cleaning and prepping food for a week in anticipation of today's photo shoot and has brined a 20-pound turkey, baked golden challah loaves, and harvested flowers and herbs and onions, beets and carrots from her garden. I peek into the oven at the big bronze turkey. It's nearly done, and the familiar savory aroma fills the dining room, reminding me of holidays past and eliciting a rumble from my stomach in anticipation. Nancy, who arrived shortly after me, opens a Tupperware to reveal beautiful Haleakala Creamery goat cheese balls rolled in chives, pecans, and sweet cranberries. Diane and my husband Chris, who today is playing food stylist, decorate the 15-foot ipe wood dining table. They artfully position bright red bougainvillea, sunset-colored molokai mangoes, ripe papayas, and an assortment of bright vegetables, all from Kumu Farms. Fresh-cut olive branches from the Maui Olive Company orchard complete the warm, upcountry look. After Mieko captures images of our mixology section, we move onto the deck where each staffer presents their holiday dish while sharing their story.
Aloha! I'm Diane Woodburn. I'm the publisher at Maui no Ko'oi magazine, and this is our festive holiday dinner at home. So today I have been assigned to make venison. I've never made venison before, so this was a fun experience. This is a shoulder. It's the top of the leg, and it was braised and cooked very, very slow with root vegetables, carrots and turnips and onions. There's tomatoes, a little bit of wine in there. So this is kasha and varnishkas. Kasha is buckwheat groats, which were first toasted and then cooked with rendered chicken fat and a little bit of slow-cooked onions, and then mixed with the bow tie pasta. So this is kasha and varnishkas.
Aloha, my name is Nancy, and today I prepared cheese balls made with sour cherries, pecans, chives, and locally sourced goat cheese from the Haleakala Dairy.
I'm Adele, and this is my ultra-rich chocolate chip cake in mini bundt cake pans, and it's served with Rosalani local ice cream, vanilla, and it's very easy to make and delicious. Anyone can make this at home with simple ingredients.
Hi, I'm Laura. This is my pumpkin bread. This is a recipe that we found when I was in grade school, and we've been making it in my family ever since.
Hi, I'm Rita, and I've made my cousin Lorraine's noodle kugel.
Back inside, Chris tosses fresh mixed greens together with rich emerald green Maui olive oil and vinegar. He then plates a leg of venison that's been braised for 4 hours, garnishing it with a bouquet of fresh herbs from Diane's garden. We toast with crystal champagne glasses filled with Hula O Maui sparkling pineapple wine, Vitalitea kombucha, and azure blue butterfly pea flower water. Mieko moves around the room, capturing the scene, the smiles, the laughter, documenting what life on Maui means to us. Today, it's a chance to connect with our friends and colleagues, to appreciate, to honor, and love one another, not just during the holidays, but all year long.